In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload product images in Shopify. If your product photos look blurry or unprofessional, customers will scroll past. Let's make your store look polished and premium with a clean, repeatable process you can use on every product. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to your products list. Click the product you're working on, then scroll until you see the media section. This is the hub for everything visual on that product page. Think of it as your gallery. What you add here is what shoppers will see on your storefront. To add images, you can click the Add button to browse your computer, or simply drag and drop files into the box. Shopify supports high-resolution JPEGs and PNGs, and even GIFs if you want to show movement, like a spinning product or a quick texture loop. Use crisp, well-lit images with a consistent background for a professional feel. Larger, high-quality files are best because Shopify optimizes them for different devices, but try to avoid excessively huge files so your pages still load fast. PNGs are great when you need transparent backgrounds, while JPEGs usually give you smaller file sizes for photos. If you use GIFs, keep them short and optimized so they don't slow down your product page. The first image in the list is your feature image. This is the thumbnail shoppers see in collections, search results, and often on your homepage. Make it count. Drag your best photo to the first slot to give it the spotlight. Choose the image that clearly shows the full product, is sharply in focus, and looks great on mobile. Consistency matters here. Use the same framing across products so your collection pages look cohesive. Inside the media section, you can also reorder the rest of your images to tell a story. Front, back, close-ups, scale, and any lifestyle shots. Aim for variety that answers common shopper questions at a glance. Keep similar lighting and aspect ratios so your gallery doesn't feel chaotic. Before you move on, click an image and add alt text. Write a short, specific description like men's leather wallet in black with zipper, rather than something vague. This helps search engines understand your product and improves accessibility for shoppers using screen readers. Keep it natural, descriptive, and concise. No keyword stuffing. That's it. With clear, high-quality images, a strong feature photo, and smart alt text, your product is ready for the spotlight. Great photos build trust, and trust drives sales.